Okay, so good day, students. I am about to show you how to join classcraft with me. First, you open your browser and you go to classcraft.com. When you get to classcraft.com, click on Get Classcraft and then click on I am a student. Now it's asking you to enter the student code. So I'm going to minimize my window. Notice in WhatsApp I sent you a set of different files. You're going to the one that's named classcraft student code. Alright? So pretend I'm opening that file. Now the names of all the students in Form 1 are here, right? And it is in alphabetical order by last name. So if you know your name ends in V like me, you go down to the bottom, right? And look for your name. So I'm still there at S. I'm going to go down further. Right, so this is me, Beverly V Alpha, I'm in 1F. Now, this is my entire document here. Dear students and parents, we're using classcraft in our classroom to have fun, promote teamwork, and become better learners. Stay up to date with class announcements, assignments, and more by creating a free account using the instructions below. So, you'll notice that there is a code for students, a code for the class, and a code for parents. Now, for the students, the instructions are to get the student code as you see there. So that is the first code on the sheet here. So copy this code, or you could type it in and go back to classcraft on the website and paste the code. Then you will see the button light up green once you pasted the correct code. So click on next and you will choose Google because all of you are supposed to have a Google account. And you will type in your Google account at this point. Most likely, if you're using your own device, your account would be in the list. If you don't see your account in this list, you'll click on use another account and you will type in your username and password. So I'm going to type in and a password and then click on next, and you're going to allow. Classcraft is a safe website for students. I have used Classcraft last year with my students. Now, before you decide to choose a character, you're seeing Classcraft wants to show notifications, you will click on allow. Before in this game, you have three different types of characters. Remember, you have been put into a team. So you have to choose a type of character to be. So before we move on to this step, I just want you to think about what type of character you want to be. So I'm going to choose warrior, but each team should have at least one of these three characters, and you have 5 members in your team. Your team was created by using random people from the 3 classes, H, F, and C. You're thinking, well, Miss, how are we going to communicate with each other? You can create a WhatsApp group with your team members, or how would you be able to do that? You'll be able to communicate in classcraft because classcraft has a chat. All right, so I'm just going to choose to be a healer and click on next. This is where you could choose your look. I'm going to choose this look here, and you could choose your first power. Because I chose a healer, this is the steps I will have to go through. You just go through your steps, right? Click on next. You're going to choose a crest with your teammates. But the thing with this is, because we are totally online, normally we will do this in class, but because we're totally online, I suppose you just have to choose a random crest. Choose a random background. You don't have to let me know which crest you chose and which background. Alright? And just click on start. I already chose your team name. The thing with classcraft is, as you get points, you can dress up your character. Your character will get more things to embellish herself, and she will also get to own a pet, right? So then you click on start playing. Right, so this is the background that you chose, right? So you could go ahead and start your intro quest. And what it is that it will be easy for you to navigate. You just play the videos as requested, and then so after you play this video, you will click on start quest, and we already just did the introduction. So if I click back on introduction, I'll come back here, right? That's, if in case you didn't remember everything that you saw in the video, you could go back and look at the video again. And then you could click on new beginnings, and it'll talk about for you to learn about classcraft. And then you click on continue when you're done with reading, and then you'll see more and more places on the map being revealed as you pass a stage. You cannot skip stages, right? For in the future, when I really do give you a task to do, it will be a set of different points along the map. And when I give you a task to do, you wouldn't see the tasks that are coming up. You'll only be able to see the tasks that you are on right now and the tasks that you have already completed. Now, unless you complete the task satisfactorily, for me, I won't allow you to progress to the next step. So there's no scapegoating through this, right? You must complete your step before you can move on to the next task. The group that finishes first, you get extra bonus points. Alright? So good luck, students. You could go through the things on the left here and try to see if you can learn how to navigate, see what they are about. Alright? So every time you do, you get points, you could come back here and you could see what else it is that you could do. You can see all the other students in the class. If you click here, you are seeing your team members. So this is one person in the team. The rest of people are yet to choose a character. Make sure all of you have different characters from the 3 different types of characters: warrior, mage, healer. Alright? It'll be useful to you as time goes by. So when a person in the team's health goes down, the healer could assist that person. Alright? So good luck.